Hi everyone, this is Victor from webautomation.io, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract valuable data from Google Shopping, which is one of the best places to find products, track and compare prices, and have valuable data to decide where to buy online or in store. So this is the Google Shopping page that we're going to scrape. I'm going to show you how to do that using Web Automation's no-code tool called predefined extractors. So now I'm in Web Automation's in-app. The first thing I'll need to do is sign up for an account if you haven't done one already. Once you have signed up, you'll see the dashboard page. You need to head over to the marketplace. When you're in the marketplace, then you can do a search for Google Shopping. I can see I have it over here. It's the Google Shopping scraper. Click into it. I see some more information around how to use the extractor, etc. But we can dive straight in and activate it. Now, all we have to do next is add in a starter URL from Google search. So you can see the option to add in starter URLs. So I'm going to head back into the search I made. I'm going to copy this, head back into the tool, and paste. Once I've pasted, I need to update the link. I need to explain how many rows I want because there's so many different products on that page. So I'm going to limit it to 50, update my settings, and voila, I'm ready to run. Now to start getting the data back, I need to press the big Run Now button. There we go. And my extractor is running. In a few seconds, we'll be able to see the data from Google Shopping, and then we can have a look and see if this is what we're looking for. So we can see we've got our data back in just a few seconds, 18 seconds. Now what we need to do is download the data to make sure we can verify we got the right information. So there's a download option. We have CSV, XML, Excel, JSON, and JSON line. I'm going to use Excel. Save this to my local, and then I can open up the spreadsheet. So we can see the data we have. We can scrape the data we have, and I'll open it up and see we have the product name, the price, all the details of the products, delivery information, reviews, even the shop name, images, and we have a timestamp. So that's got the data in a very nice format. And I'm sure you guys are happy to see that we could get data back from shopping pretty easy without having to write any code, and just a few clicks using the Web Automation's predefined extractor. Now, why don't you guys have a go? And I'd love to see how you get on scraping Google Shopping. Thank you very much, and I'll see you at the next video.